Ooh. Hello, my name is Miles Fry, and this is our initial demo for Computer 4300 final project. Ours is called Astro Strike. Astro Strike is a 2D space shooter set in space. You can see we load in, we have basic WASD movement as well as basic afterburner animations. We also have our full debug GUI up. We can play all the sounds here. Animations and anti-manager as well. The one thing I will mention is we wanted to make the GUI here look a bit more relevant to our game. That's something that we're planning to do for the final submission, just because one of our group members unfortunately let us know in the last 24 hours that they need to drop the course due to personal reasons, so we're a little bit behind just because of how we divided up the work. But we still do expect to have everything done for our final submission. And yeah, so I'll demo now the two weapons that we have. We have a basic shooter, and if you see over here this blue object here, it's actually a star, so it's pulling us in gravity-wise. And if we shoot towards it, gravity actually affects the projectiles as well, which is pretty cool. Our second weapon is a scatter laser. Right now we just have the image for it. We need to add an animation for that and have it good looking as well. But that is the initial concept for our second weapon. So the other thing we have here is if we fly in, we have our health bar on the bottom left, so there's collisions and you can see the invincibility frames, as well as the star also. I'll just go in again. Star also has collisions and you just kind of get stuck in the middle. So right now we can change the damage, so preferably when you hit a star it's going to be higher than what it's set to right now, but this is just kind of a initial debug level. You can also see our parallax background. We have a nebula as well as a background behind that. And in the top right, you can see we have a mini map, so the player can see more than just their screen. The other thing that we have completed this time is the level editor. So in the level editor, I'm just gonna start a new one, just because that was an old one that I was playing around with a little bit. So we can save files as, load files, play levels, and change the name. So play levels grayed out. That's because we don't have a player right now. So I'm gonna come in, create a player. We'll make the player go 10 fast. And we'll give him a little bit more health. We can also change his location as well. The other thing that we can do is make an asteroid here, change his location. Let's keep him as a tile. Sorry, that was my mistake. There we go, and we'll make him an NPC. So when NPCs respond in, we can change their location, as well as change their health, change their damage, as well as put on follow. So we'll have this one follow us, and we will make another NPC here. This guy will move his location over here, and we will put him on patrol. We'll add a node in there, add a node over there, and then we will just add a node there as well. We could also add in stars and background components as well. So if I just want to come in and say background at that, so we'll have that, and we can actually drag them around with the mouse as well, which is cool. So if I come in here and I now say play level, you can see I'm being followed by this one NPC, and the second NPC is going to do his patrol route. So you can kind of see how this would implement, though we don't have collisions working with the NPCs at this time because of the constraints with the group member situation. We do have that expected to be done by the final project, of course. So this is our initial level editor. We think it looks pretty good in terms of the level editor. Again, we want to change the GUI, as well as when you actually put the nodes up for patrol, there is little black nodes so you can see where the positions are. Though it's kind of difficult to see, so we might need to change the color of those for readability issues and other things. But we're pretty happy with where we are in the project, and we've made good progress, and we're excited to see how much more we can complete. So thank you for watching our quick demo, and hopefully let us know if you have any comments, feedback, or concerns or anything, and we can address them. And thank you.